Hello children, I am Seema Saluja. Welcome to the class 5. Today we are going to start first chapter, that is number and numeration. Before we start, let me tell you, in this video we will cover some topics such as place value, face value, Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. You must have learned 5 digit numbers, 6 digit numbers, 7 digit numbers in standard 4. Now in standard 5 we are going to discuss 8 digit numbers, 9 digit numbers and 10 digit numbers. Okay children, let's have a quick recap what we have already learned in standard 4. So what are numbers? Basically, numbers are a set of standard symbols, numerals that represent quantities. The symbols for natural numbers are written using 10 digit, that is from 0 to 9. Each of the symbol is called a digit. Now, if you look at the picture, each place to the left is 10 times greater than the place to its right. That means move from the right to the left place value increases 10 times with each place. So the places are ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place and so on. Now what is numeral? A single digit or a group of digit representing a number is called numeral, and writing number in words is called numeration. Now let's talk about place value and face value. The place value of a digit is the value of the digit because of its place in the number. For example, 256, what would be the place value of 2 here? Here the value of 2 is 200. Now place value of 5 is 50, that is 5 tens, and place value of 6 is 6 ones, which is 6. Now face value of digit remains the same irrespective of its position in the number. That means face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. For example, in the number 567, what would be the face value of 5, 6 and 7? The face value of the 5 is 5, face value of 6 is 6 and face value of 7 is 7. Now we will learn Indian and international system of numeration. There are two systems of numeration. First one is Indian system of numeration, and which is also called Hindu Arabic numeration, and other one is international system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, the place value of digit go in the sequence of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores and so on. Similarly, in international system of numeration, place value of digit goes in the sequence of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and so on. When there is a small number, for example 28, we can read it as 28. But when there are many digits in a number, it's confusing to read the number. So, to make reading and writing large number easily, the digits has broken into periods separated by commas starting from left end of the number according to Indian system of numeration. The first period is the ones period consisting of three places: ones, tens, and hundreds. Other period to the left of the ones period of the two places each. But in international system of numeration, all the periods of three places each. Let's take an example: 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 5, 2, 4. According to the Indian system of numeration, the first comma will be inserted after the three digits from the right, that is after 5. Then two digit, that will be after 3. Then next comma after 5, and so on. According to the international system of numeration, the first comma will be after 5. The next comma will be after 6. That is after 3 digits, and so on. So, in Indian system of numeration, we read it as 4 crores, 56 lakhs, 32,524. And in international system of numeration, we read it as 45 millions, 632,524. Children, let's talk about 8-digit numbers. Let's take an example of 8-digit numbers: 5 crores, 46 lakh, 23,850. According to Indian system of numeration, we will insert comma counting 3 digit from right after 8. Then 2 digit, that is after 2, and then after 4. And according to international system of numeration, the first comma will be inserted after 3 digit from right, that is 8. Then after 3 digit, that is 6. We read it as 54 millions, 623,850. So, smallest 8-digit number is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We read it as 1 crores. And greatest 8-digit number is 9 crores, 99 lakh, 99,000s, and 999 in Indian system of numeration. And in international system of numeration, the smallest 8-digit number would be 10 million. greatest 8-digit number would be 99 millions, 9 hundreds, 99 thousands, 9 hundreds, 99. If we add 1 to the greatest 8-digit number, we get the smallest 9-digit numbers. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We read it as 10 crores, and the greatest 9-digit number is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. We read it as 99 crore, 99 lakhs, 99,999. In International System of Numeration, the smallest 9-digit number is 100 million and greatest 9-digit number is 999 millions, 999,999. Now, if we add 1 to greatest 9-digit number, we get the smallest 10-digit number. That will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We read it as 100 crores or 1 arab in Indian system of numeration. And in International System of Numeration, we read it as 1 billion. The greatest 10-digit number 9,099 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999 according to Indian numeration system. According to International Numeration System, we read it as 9 billions 999 millions 999,999. Children, now we got some basic ideas about the large number and number system through this video.